Hi, I'm Krishna Gargipati. I'm the founder and head of R&D for Project Genesis. And 2 days ago, we have released our first public algorithm named CasualLite. And today I'm so excited to show how CasualLite works. So let us go to that. So I'm on my Google Colab, and as we have announced that CasualLite is an official Python library, you can install CasualLite by pip install CasualLite command, as you have seen in the thumbnail, and it starts downloading CasualLite 0.1.1. So as it gets downloaded, let us know what CasualLite is. So CasualLite is a fast interpretable casual discovery algorithm created by Project Genesis. To be honest, Project Genesis had made the complete algorithm in 50 seconds from scratch to code. So let us just go into the insiders of CasualLite. So CasualLite highlights it is zero black box. Because we are from Genesis, we want to show everything that is happening inside of all the algorithms Genesis makes. With that specialty, Project Genesis made CasualLite a zero black box algorithm so that when you're running your algorithm, you can get to know what's happening inside it. And we are proud to say that the whole skeleton that is being made by CasualLite will be in seconds. Unlike the state of algorithms in the casual discovery field, which takes hours of training and great computational resources, we have turned the coin so that the output comes in seconds with even a CPU. And here I'm going to show how that works. So let us check whether it is downloaded or not. Yes. So we have successfully installed CasualLite 0.1.1. And let us just test this with the test code on the PyPI website. So we are testing this on the Titanic dataset, which is a beginner dataset. And we'll just go through the breakdown of the code. So what we have done here is a minimal data processing of the dataset. And we have sent the feature names and the data into the RCSE-IBFS function, which is the core of CasualLite actually. And after that, we are printing the whole graph that is being made by CasualLite. So let us start running the code. And let me tell you, once the code starts executing, within seconds, you'll get the graph. Less than a half minute, I assure you. So that's it. We've got. So you can see as I told you, it took 17 seconds first of all. You can just see this. So in the whole moment of 17 seconds, let us check what CasualLite has actually done. Unlike the state of algorithms, which consider all the nodes of the dataset, CasualLite is not like that. CasualLite selects only those important features that ought to be considered as a graph. And the features which are correlated are removed. This is the primary functionality and specialty of CasualLite. So this really helps in casual discovery, where it reduces the computational cost of drawing the graph. Also, it helps researchers to know what is important and what is not. And after that, it draws a skeleton, and you can see the graph that is made by CasualLite. This is how it actually looks. So you can see how fast it is. And yeah, I forgot to say that you can see this here We did this on a CPU. Let me just show you that also. Uh, so at present, we are on a CPU here. Okay, we're not even running this on a GPU, just a normal collapsed CPU. The work is done. And let me show you that, you know, this is not a human-coded project. Let me tell you this. CasualLite was entirely discovered and manufactured, built by Project Genesis, which is our AI research engine, perhaps the world's first AI research engine to develop autonomous AI algorithms. And this is what we are doing under the banner of Project Genesis. And we are so proud to announce that this is our first public algorithm. This is released in the Python markets, in the pip, and the code of CasualLite is open source in GitHub, and you can just check that. You can just go and type the AI algo repository. Let me just show you that also. The AI algo repository and CasualLite. So we are having a repository, the AI algo repository, which is actually the dedicated branch of Genesis ecosystem serving as the official channel for accessing and acquiring both public and commercial algorithms made by Genesis. So here we also offer premium research as service models for labs, institutions, and academic experts. You can contact us. You can see the mail here. The mail is provided in the description. You can contact us. And this is what we are doing from Project Genesis. Thank you so much.